Another thing you may want to incorporate is crystals or rocks or stones or even just trinkets and keepsakes. Now, they cannot be porous. You do not want trinkets or keepsakes that are going to dissolve into your paint or create abnormalities in it or cause it to be unusable. So crystals, for the most part, semi-precious, can be put one little chip in the bottom, and that depending on what crystal you're using, and I do include a little bit of that with each color in the workbook available on Etsy. It helps reinforce the energy you're trying to put into it. So for example, Venetian red, we would probably go with a bit of garnet or some ruby if you had it. That seems very precious, not semi. If we were doing yellow, we could use citron, we can use an agate. Green, you could use calcite, any kind of quartz is great too. Even